Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is an intraday for Nasdaq and SPX, and finally, of course, we have finished this potential diagonal toward the upside 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finally hitting, of course, this final wave. Probably finished, of course, and topped over there for this wave 3, and currently we're looking for a wave 4 in the following prices for the 20k 800, potentially around the 0.23. You would like to see a zigzag toward the downside, of course, moving for this wave 4. And yeah, so basically we have finished all the counts here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And that means, of course, you can 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5 for the 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 here. So basically it reflects perfectly over there, and this is your wave 3 here in the middle, finished. So I would say, yeah, the wave 3, the main one, is done, is finished. And I believe we need, of course, some lower prices right now to unfold the wave 4 and then finishing with the wave 5, taking the all-time high finally. And what is next, therefore? Of course, on the daily, that means something very interesting, which is, of course, continuation of something much higher here. And I would say after finishing here a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you got, of course, a wave 1, 2 for a wave 3. So we are heading for a wave 3 toward the upside to finish a wave 5. Okay, meaning next you are looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Currently, what we are finishing over there here, once we get the final wave 5, it's gonna be the wave 1. Okay, so wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, continuation for the market toward the upside. Yep, so this is regarding the Nasdaq, the intraday updates. Let's see the SPX. So on the SPX, on the lower time frame, so as we mentioned, yes, we still need this one more high, and here we go, we got it finally, and we start to see something, of course, red. It might be the start for a wave 4 as well. In the blue scenario, we have 0.23, but it needs to be updated with the current price, which is, of course, the 5,900. In this case scenario, you have a flat here, of course, expanding flat. So you would like to see a zigzag here, potentially for SPX to hit at least the 0.23. And in this case scenario, it's not as different a little bit than Nasdaq. We have here a double 1, 2, 1, 2, and you have finished here potentially in a 4 and a 5, and then finally 4 and a 5, the wave 5 here is an ending diagonal, this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, and this is, of course, after 4 and a 5, this is your wave 4 and a diagonal for wave 5 in the white to finish wave 3, moving toward the downside and continuation simply for higher later on. And in this case, of course, on the SPX, what it would be, of course, in a bigger overview here, is the following scenario. If we want to see continuation toward the upside, therefore we are looking here for the following count. Here we go. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This is your wave 2 as well. Let me put it in a bigger bracket. Here we go. You got W, X, and a Y for a wave 2 potentially, and you're moving toward the upside. This blue box is in target, taken from the 1 to the 2, and then 3, 4, 5. Now this is an older one. I'm gonna remove it. So basically this is gonna simply represent your wave 1, also as for a wave 3. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, to finish exactly this wave 3 in the white scenario. Okay, we still need, of course, we still need 4 and a 5 to finish wave 1, and then wave 2, 3, 4, 5 continuation for higher prices. Yep, so these are basically the updates for SPX and Nasdaq, and yeah, everything as expected. Nothing has surprised me yet, and everything working as per the analysis that we saw also in the live stream. That was it for the intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.